Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this session, we'll open up to the present moment, making room for our emotions and recognizing that although this day may be particularly challenging, there is also some good that we can tap into. Begin by settling into a comfortable seated position. Gently lengthen your spine, and when you're ready, softly close your eyes. And now, drop your attention like an anchor into your body. And begin to tune into your breath. Notice your breath exactly as it is. Watch the ebb and flow, the in and out of your breath. And become aware of your body breathing with you. Notice the small movements that naturally occur in your body as you inhale and exhale. If you're listening to this meditation, it's likely that you're having one of those days where nothing seems to be going well. So take a moment to notice how it feels to acknowledge the challenges you're facing. And very gently, bring up something that was challenging for you today. You might recall a difficulty that you have encountered. Or perhaps it is more of an overall feeling. Just feel into your experience right now. There's no right or wrong here. Simply make space for your body just as it is. Make space for your heart and your mind just as they are. And as you become aware of how it feels to face this challenging day, acknowledge that you are going through something difficult. And now, tap into self-compassion. If that's challenging for you, imagine you are sitting with a close friend who's having a hard time. Offer yourself kindness. Now, silently repeat the following words. Today is a hard day. May I tend to myself with compassion and awareness. Today is a hard day. May I tend to myself with compassion and awareness. Today is a hard day. May I tend to myself with compassion and awareness. And for the next few moments, find your breath and keep silently repeating these words, offering yourself care and loving ease. Today is a hard day. May I tend to myself with compassion and awareness. Now, gently release the words. Once more, drop deeply inward, noticing your body and space. As you feel into your breath, notice your body breathing with you. And now, bring to mind one thing that you're grateful for today. It doesn't have to be big. Just recall a small moment that made you smile or brought you joy. Perhaps you had a pleasant conversation, or you appreciated the comfort of a cup of tea. Maybe your pet greeted you with excitement as you walked through the door, or you enjoyed a warm shower. Try not to overthink it. Whatever comes to mind first is okay. And just feel into this experience. Let it settle into your body, into your mind, and into your heart. Take a moment to acknowledge that even though this day had its challenges, there was also a moment of ease or joy. And as you continue to open up to something other than hardship, slowly offer yourself these words. May I recognize and appreciate the good. May I recognize and appreciate the good. And no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, allow room to recall other moments throughout your day that didn't present a struggle, and continue to silently repeat these words. May I recognize and appreciate the good. Again, gently release the words and return to your body breathing. Sometimes it feels like everything we touch breaks down, or every conversation we have turns into an argument. Perhaps we're physically or emotionally exhausted or facing an unmanageable to-do list. Maybe we're coming down with a cold. Some days are just harder than others, and that's okay. Though we can't control some of the ups and downs, there is comfort in knowing that difficulties will pass and that they don't have to define us. Nothing is permanent, and tomorrow offers us a chance to start anew. So at the end of a challenging day, make room for your emotions and take time to acknowledge the hardships you've faced with self-compassion and care. You may find that just by acknowledging your emotions, they begin to soften. And remember, even the toughest days are never completely terrible. By consciously taking note of the good parts of your day, or at the very least, the neutral ones, comfort or joy might also become a part of your experience. Now, take a deep breath in and a slow, complete breath out. Become aware of the sounds in the room around you. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. I hope this practice has served you well, and we'll see you again tomorrow.